Skin whitening is the process in which the melanin pigment skin is reduced to give a whiter complexion. This remedy will help you to glow your skin naturally in best easier way at home. To make this remedy we will need few natural ingredients. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is basically beneficial in removing the dead cell and moisturizing the skin. Second one is Vaseline. Vaseline is moisturizing product that is safe or most people put on their face. People can apply Vaseline to help with short-term skin concerns such as temporary skin dryness and irritation. Now we make this remedy. Simply just add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera into the bowl. In the second we just add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline into the mixture. Mix it well. And look, the remedy is ready to use. Apply this scrub for your body part at 5 minutes. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel.